In this video, we're tackling something crucial that might have slipped your minds amidst the hype of Diablo IV, Street Fighter 6, and the upcoming Starfield. We're going to give this Xbox Series X a 3-step cleaning. The tools we need to get this done are an air duster, Windex wipes, and a precision brush. Together, these will transform our Series X into a Series X. With our brush, we want to be sure to be gentle but thorough, getting every available space that we can reach in a circular motion to loosen the dirt. We want to make sure to use a circular motion and make sure we get the dirt off of the top of the Xbox, because this is actually where our exhaust fan is. If our exhaust fan is blocked, it can cause our console to overheat and therefore shut off, and sometimes even force close your games. Step 2, we're going to use the air duster. Introducing our trusty air duster from Amazon. The one I have, they don't sell anymore. And then on the lowest setting, and I just blow through the console. Usually I blow through bottom, sides, and top, and then back through the bottom, just to rearrange and dislodge a lot of the dust that might be trapped in there. Fear not if you don't have one of these. You can easily get one from Amazon, or you can local store like Best Buy and get canned air. And our final step is going to be Windex electronics wipes. Electronic wipes are essential. They're like magnets for dirt. They left over dirt that, after you're done using the air duster. I like to wipe mine down from every angle, and look at that. Ensure that the console is clear of dirt. That's it. It's a wrap. Our Xbox Series X is back in action, primed for future gaming marathons with Diablo IV, Street Fighter 6, or if you're getting ready for the upcoming Starfield, there you are. Remember, a clean console is a happy console. Until our next adventure, keep the gaming spirit alive and stay positive.